Hello everyone. If WhatsApp shows you cannot place a WhatsApp call if you are already on a phone call even when no calls is active, don't worry. See, this is the problem. How to it? Okay, let's get a start. First, open your phone settings and now scroll down. Now tap on the apps option and now search here WhatsApp and tap on the WhatsApp. Scroll down. Now tap on the force stops. Okay. Scroll down. Now click on the storage and clear cache and clear data. Okay, go back and now tap on the permission option and allow all permission. Call logs allow, camera allow, contacts allow, location, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photos and videos, SMS. Okay, allow all permission. Go back and check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, and now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and go to Play Store and now search here WhatsApp app and check update your WhatsApp app. My WhatsApp app already updated. Okay, go back and open your WhatsApp and now tap on the message option or friend option, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.